Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to buy XRP Ripple on Trust Wallet app. Alright, so let's begin with the video. For that case, you have to go ahead and log in into your Trust Wallet account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. So right on top, you can see multiple different options. So go ahead and press on the buy button. When you press the buy button, right on the search box, type in XRP Ripple. If you are unable to find XRP Ripple on this page, then you have to head back to your home page. And then what next you need to do is, you need to go ahead and add XRP Ripple from Manage Cryptos. As you can see that I don't have it, so I have to go ahead and add it. So press the plus icon. Right on this page, go ahead and type in XRP. When you locate XRP Ripple, then what you need to do is, you need to toggle on the button just like this. And you've successfully added that. Now go ahead and press on it, click on buy. Then you need to enter the exact amount that you want to buy, and next thing you have to go ahead and enter your payment details and initiate a transaction, and within no time you'll be notified that you've successfully bought XRP Ripple on Trust Wallet. So that's basically how you can buy XRP Ripple on Trust Wallet app. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.